Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply turn off shuffle on Spotify. So what you need to do is basically get into your Play Store and make sure that your Spotify application is updated. And if it's not, just do it because the new features won't be available on the previous versions of the Spotify. Now get towards Spotify application. When you'll move towards Spotify, what you need to do on Spotify is basically any of the things or any of the song from the library. So once you start any song in this, you see it is automatically shuffled. So once you'll play any song from it, so once it start playing, you see that you need to shuffle it. So at the left side, just under beneath that heart icon, you can simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you see that it would be unshuffled. And if you tap it once again, and if it turns green just like this play up button icon is green, that means it has been shuffled, so it would be shuffled. So this is how you turn off shuffle on Spotify. I hope you guys like the video, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Till next time, peace.